Hello guys, I recently made a video about how POS agents can make up to 1 million naira during this period, and a lot of people say I should explain how to do just that. And in this video, I'm going to be taking you through how to do how to do that. So the first thing you need to do, obviously, is to have a POS machine you can use to do transaction for agents. So, and this advice is for you, is for between now and January 31st, when the CBN cashless policy, that is the CBN cash redesign, will take effect. That is, the old currency will not be in use again. That is, people will not be accepting the old currency again. So the main idea, the simple idea behind this is that since the old currency won't be in use again, a lot of people will be rushing to the bank to deposit this money. And we all know the way things are, even during the COVID era and all that, people were rushing to the bank, a lot of queue at the bank. So a lot of people would prefer to take money to POS agents, irrespective of how much you want to charge them. So, which is why you need to have some things in place. You need to have some arrangements in place, and it is very simple because now when people want to deposit their money, they won't have access to the bank. But as an agent, you also need money in your account. But I understand that a lot of agents don't have enough money to do to handle the transaction that's coming now. So you don't have that money in your account. So here's how to do it. So just find a bank. Let's say Lotus Bank, Jais Bank, all these banks that don't have a lot of customers. Because if you go to all these big banks, you'll be there for 2 days. You've not even been able to enter. So, and that's not good for your business because you need a place you can quickly collect cash from customers, collect your charges from them, quickly take it to the bank. That is, after you have exhausted the money in your account, you need somewhere to deposit the money so that they will help you convert it to floats, that is, to your account. So, which is why I advise that you should use all these small banks like Keystone, like Jais, Lotus Bank. Yeah, in fact, in Oshobo here, there's Lotus Bank, and they don't have enough customers because they just opened, and it's one opportunity for mobile money agents. Wherever you are, if you're not in Oshobo, you are in Lagos, you are anywhere. There are banks that don't have a lot of customers, so you can register with them if you don't have accounts with them. And most importantly, make sure the limits on the account you want to use for this, the limits can actually accommodate a lot of money. Let's say 5 million or 1 million naira transfer per day, depending on the traffic in your area. So once you open the account, from now, let's say the traffic is not yet coming in, but it's coming in small. In fact, the other day before, people used to call me when we first started POS business. People used to call me in the morning, and maybe I'm sleeping around 6 a.m. They will call me and they'll say they want to do transaction. But later on, because there are a lot of POS, people don't call you again. But recently, people started calling me again to say they want to do transaction. So that shows the transactions are coming in. Uh the what's it called? The traffic is coming in now. So from now, today is 12. So from now you start seeing little transaction. But when a lot of transaction will start happening, that is, a lot of traffic will start coming in, is the middle of January, because that's close to deadline. Nigerians love to do things close to deadline. So which is why at that time banks will be jam packed, and that is when you can make a lot of money. And during that time is when you can actually increase your charges on deposits. That is, those that want to deposit money, you increase the charges you normally collect from them, and then maybe by 50 naira or 100 naira to due to normal compared to the normal charges you collect. So that's basically how to make the money. So you charge people for deposits, and you can make your money actually from by doing that, because there will be a lot of traffic. But this is only for people that are prepared, because some people will not be prepared and they will not have a place to deposit their money. They will just be saying, "Oh, there's no money on ground. I don't have money in my account to do these deposits." But for those that are prepared, that already have money in their accounts, and when that finish, they already know they can take it to a bank, quickly deposit it, and come back and continue their transaction. Those are the ones that will actually make the money. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button below. I just think I should make this quick video so that you guys can actually learn. Thank you very much for watching this video. Also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.